Harare West MP Honorable Johanna Ruvimbo Mwamombe has condemned what she called an unacceptable push to end debate on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 before all legislators have spoken. The Zarabira Mashkubdani Constituency's Parliament does not belong to a few voices. Honorable Mwamombe slams rush to close CAB3 debate that was subscribed by like on the bill. Now, Emma Constitutional Amendments which reads Zimbabwe Mubdani Constituency. In a statement released, Mwamombe said she had repeatedly registered to contribute but was not given the floor. In quotes, the rush to close debate on CAB3 is unacceptable. I have repeatedly registered my name to debate this bill but have not been given the opportunity to contribute, Mwamombe said. She warned that shutting down debate early violates parliamentary procedure and public trust. Closing debate before all MPs have had a reasonable opportunity to participate undermines the spirit of parliamentary democracy. We represent thousands of citizens whose voices deserve to be heard on a bill that seeks to fundamentally change our constitution. Parliament does not belong to a few voices, she added. CAB3 proposes extending presidential, MP, and councillor terms from 5 to 7 years and replacing direct presidential elections with a parliamentary vote. Critics say the bill strikes at core constitutional provisions on term limits and electoral rights. Mwamombe's remarks come as the debate continues in the House, with the opposition MPs accusing the Speaker of fast-tracking the process. Several MPs have raised procedural objections this week, citing standing orders that require fair opportunity for debate. Toma developments are kuda pangwa ine pina comment section medu za fungu e modu kudipa mzuru pichitu kwechi. So subscribe or like up, and turn the bell icon.